Hello friends, hope you well, and today I'm back with another great idea about your backyard and garden decor, and that is vintage, rustic vintage garden decor. If you're looking to transform your backyard into a cozy, charming oasis, rustic vintage garden decor is a great option. The style combines the rustic simplicity of a countryside garden with vintage touches for a look that both timeless and inviting. So here are some ideas to get you started. First, consider using natural materials like wood, stone, or metal to create your outdoor space. Rough hewn wood benches and tables, stacked stone walls, and metal trellises can all contribute to the rustic vibe. You can also add decorative touches like antique watering cans, old fashioned gardening tools, and vintage lanterns to enhance the vintage feel. Plants are another key element of a rustic vintage garden. Consider using native plants and wildflowers for a more natural look. You can also plant herbs and vegetables in raised beds or containers to add both beauty and functions to your space. Don't be afraid to mix and match different plants, varieties, and colors to create a relaxed and eclectic feel. In terms of seating, opt for cozy, comfortable pieces that invite relaxation and conversation. Wicker chairs with plush cushions, Adirondack chairs, and hammocks all work well in a rustic garden setting. Add outdoor pillows and blankets in vintage patterns to create a cozy atmosphere. Finally, lighting is an important aspect of any outdoor space. For a rustic vintage garden, consider string lights, lanterns, and candles to add warmth and charm. You can also use upcycled chandeliers or vintage light fixtures to create a unique focal point. Overall, rustic garden can be a beautiful, inviting addition to any backyard. So this is all about today's video. I hope you like it. Subscribe our channel.